everyone, I'm kicking off my weekly outfit of the day. Today is Sunday and today is a special edition. It's going to be a complete new with tags edition. I've got to start wearing all these fall items that I purchased already. We're deep in fall, high is 60. In the mornings it's going to be like in the upper 40s and 50s this week. So I am ready to wear some of my fall clothes. I'm excited to wear them, and why am I holding off on them? I bought them to wear them, right? So today, it's obviously Sunday, it's more casual for me. I never got over to Target, or actually I got over to Target yesterday, but never went to Michael's or Home Goods because it was just torrential rain. Today is cold and crisp, but it is sunny, so I can run whatever errands I want. I am wearing, this is an old sweater from White House Black Market. I wouldn't say very old, maybe a year or two old White House Black Market sweater with the cable knit, chunky. I guess you kind of call this the fisherman style. With it, I have paired my new Levi button-down shirt. This is a Western style shirt, which is totally not me, but you can't tell it's a Western shirt when I got a sweater over the top with it. I was looking for a dark wash denim shirt. Got one, it was about 40 bucks on Amazon. With it, I paired my Loft wide leg corduroys with the front patch pocket and the trouser style pockets here in the back, which are still sewn shut. I can get my fingers in them though. And I paired my brown clogs with this. Now, if you're interested in these cords, Loft still has these cords. I could not do a petite in these cords. These cords ran really short. But I have to say the sizing is generous on these. I got a size 0 regular and they're pretty loose. They're pretty loose on me, and I just hope they don't stretch out more because they will start getting saggy. Right now they feel nice and comfy, and I think they're the right size. I just really hope they don't stretch too much. Otherwise I'm gonna have to wash them to get them back into shape. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another new outfit. Hi everyone, it is Monday and today's outfit was inspired by a front door fashion photo that I saw on their Instagram account. Now, none of these items are front door fashion at all, and the items they displayed were slightly different, but I thought, all right, let me put this together. So first I have this Steve Madden knitted long, I guess, coatigan, I guess you would describe it. I got it from a Stitch Fix. You can see it has some texture here on the arm. I paired it with just a regular layering tee from Target. Probably it's a New Day, but I'm not even positive what name brand it is. It might be Universal Threads, but it's just a long sleeve layering tee in an off-white. And I have on my denim mini skirt from Loft from 2018, and I have my brown over the knee boots. Now, the front door fashion outfit didn't have a mini skirt. It had a midi skirt. Now, I know minis are not trendy now, but they just work better for my body type, and I'm not gonna get rid of my minis or stop wearing them because they're just not trending. It had a long line blazer, but it was a short sleeve and it was in camel color. And they did pair it with brown boots. And I know that over the knee boots are not trending, but again, I will wear them and continue to wear them. I believe they just had regular brown knee-high boots. So I'm happy with this outfit, and yes, I acknowledge that pendant necklaces are so, 2000. I still love this outfit. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, I am coming to you at 5 p.m. night at a Tuesday. Why so late, you ask? Well, today I did not go to the gym. Unfortunately, yesterday my husband was outside landscaping, blowing leaves, and he bumped into a bush and hurt his eye. So between yesterday and today, I've been running him back and forth to doctor appointments because he can't see out of his eye. So hopefully he has the correct medicine now and he'll be on the road to recovery. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this. This is new with tags edition. I'm trying to wear all my new clothes for fall. This is a thin sweater that I received from one of my Trendsend boxes. It was on my wish list. I got it. It's kind of like a Henley style with buttons not quite all the way down. Has a rib banded bottom. I paired them with my ivory White House Black Market skinny cargo pants. And hopefully you can see my shoes, my ivory loafers. They're by Sam Edelman that I got from Stitch Fix quite some time ago. And yes, I know skinny on skinny is not the thing, but I felt like wearing this, all right? So, yeah, this is my outfit for today, running my husband back and forth to appointments and working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday at 7:20 in the morning. It is still very dark outside, so I have my overhead lights on plus my ring light. So, got up. I could not sleep well last night. It was a tossing and turning the whole night. Was up probably since 3 o'clock on. So, I finally got into bed, took care of the bunny at like 4 in the morning, who's completely confused why I was there so early. I was like, no, I'm here with your food. And he's like, you know, looking at me like, food? Fed him, went off to the gym, ran 2.8 miles, which is a little bit more than I usually do, so I'm pretty proud of myself, and came home and I showered in my new shower this morning. It was nice, but it's one of those water saver shower heads, so it's gonna take me some getting used to. And got dressed and here I am. So again, this is New with Tags edition. This is the sweater dress that I got from Stitch Fix, maybe even 2 years ago. It was last year or the year before that I absolutely never wore. I was like on the hunt for a beige colored sweater dress. Finally found one that I liked, Stitch Fix. It was on sale. Everything was great about it. Never wore it. So I said, you know what? It's fall now. It's the perfect time because it keeps me warm, but my legs are exposed. So it works out well on a day like today. And it's Mark and Spruce Stitch Fix. The boots I've had, gosh, these boots are at least 10 years old. And I was looking at them. I think this is probably going to be my last season for them. I had my eye on a pair of Dolce Vitas for replacement. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 5 p.m.-ish on Thursday. This is the first time I got around to filming. So what was I up to today? I went to the gym, then I went directly to my nutritionist. I came home, showered, went to my nutritionist. Then I, believe it or not, went to crumble cookies at 8 a.m. right after my nutritionist. You'd be like, 8 a.m. cookies, Carolyn? Yes. I bought 4 crumble cookies at 8 a.m. I've been dying from all week and I wanted to wait until after my nutritionist appointment where I was weighed in before I got them. But I came home, ate like half of one cookie, portion of another, a couple slivers of another, and sent them off with my husband to work. So they're out of the house, I had my taste, I'm done. And then I came home and I've been on the computer since. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing these Houndstooth Sanctuary pants. They're actually like a legging style with a side zip. So they're knit material, but they're a thicker ponte knit. And I have it paired, because remember, this is my New with Tags Week edition, with this sweater, all right? This sweater is from the company called Apricot, and I got it from my Wantable box last year. Never wore it. So it has the sheer sleeves, okay, a banded cuff, and it has the square neckline, and this part is a ribbed sweater. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. Oh, and I am wearing them with my Vince Camuto new boots too, but this is not the first time I'm wearing my boots. These are the second time. And the funny thing is, my friend from Shannon, we send pictures of ourselves each day of what we're wearing. She sends to me a picture. She's literally wearing a black and white like houndstooth jacket today. And I said, I don't have time to take a picture. I'll give you a picture in a bit. But, you know, great minds think alike. So yeah, I have the top and she has the top and I have the bottom. So it's kind of funny. Yeah, take care. See you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is 5 p.m. on Friday and this is the first time I'm getting to film today. It's pouring rain outside, it's dark, so my lighting is not the greatest. I do have my ring light on. So today, got up, went to the gym, went food shopping after that, came home, took care of the bunny, showered, ate my breakfast, and was on the computer nonstop all day. So what a crazy day. What am I wearing? Not going anywhere. Matter of fact, plan on taking this off in just a few minutes and getting my jammies. That's how tired and exhausted I am at 5 p.m. But to be all honesty, I usually do that every 5 p.m. So what am I wearing today? Again, this is New with Tags Week. This is a White House Black Market jacket. and matching top that I got like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's a sweater and it's sleeveless and it has this cutout here. I like it. I'm wearing it with a pair of plain can bootleg jeans and my new Vince Camuto boots. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday, the last day of this week before tomorrow starts off a new outfit of the day. As I mentioned in my earlier New with Tags edition, this top is new that I got from my Front Door Fashion, New with Tags, took it off this morning, and I'm pairing it exactly how my stylist recommended with my navy blue moto, which I also got from Front Door Fashion, and my ivory kick leg jeans that I purchased myself through Stitch Fix in a actual box that I got, along with my chocolate brown booties. But this is how she recommended to style this outfit, and I do like it. What's going on today? What am I wearing? Why am I wearing it? Let's see, I went to the gym this morning, and of course, it's Saturday, so it's raining here yet again on a weekend. This is, I think, our 7th or 8th weekend in a row where we had nothing but rain. It looks like it's letting up a little bit now. It's 12:30 in the afternoon, and I might do a little bit of shopping just to get out of the house. Not sure. Came back from the gym this morning, made my peppers, made some potatoes, made sugar-free, fat-free pistachio pudding, and made my husband a pumpkin loaf. So I've been cooking and baking and cleaning up all morning, and took a shower, got dressed, and here I am videoing you now, and I just might take a little shopping trip just to get out of the house. And that is it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. And take care until next time.